So why Agile? Agile is a useful framework we apply in solving complex problems or finding solutions when we are handling complex projects. What do I mean by complex problems or complex projects? My best description of what a complex project or a complex environment implies is the VUCA narrative. And what does VUCA mean? VUCA is an acronym that stands for volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity. The United States Army War College was one of the first organizations to use the VUCA acronym following the 9/11 terrorist attack in 2001. Military planners were worried about the radically different and unfamiliar international security environment that had emerged, so they used VUCA to describe it. VUCA stands for V, volatile, which is change is rapid and unpredictable in its nature and extent. The U stands for uncertain, which means the present is unclear and the future is uncertain. So the C stands for complexity or complex, which is also another word for chaotic. Many different interconnected factors come into play with the potential to cause chaos and confusion. So this is what comes to our mind when we refer to VUCA. Now the next letter A stands for ambiguous or ambiguity. There is lack of clarity or awareness about the situation. So any problem characterized by these factors, such as volatility, complexity or chaos, ambiguity or uncertainty, are all problems that we refer to as a VUCA problem, and they are probably called complex problems. These problems cannot be solved by traditional waterfall methods, that is, methods that require serious adherence to previously made plans. So we have to adjust our realities to suit the current situations of the problem. What other framework can solve problems like this? This is where Agile comes in. And there are 7, to my knowledge, types of Agile frameworks. There is the KANBAN, there is the SCRUM, there is the Extreme Programming or XP, there is Lean, there is Dynamic Stream Developmental Method DSDM, there is Crystal, and there is Failure Driven Development or FDD. All these are Agile frameworks. The most popular of all Agile frameworks is referred to as Scrum. And this is what this class is all about, to teach us about Agile and Scrum.